February is National Career and Technical Education Month. And we think that this makes it the perfect opportunity to share just a little about our programs at Huntsville ISD. Here at Huntsville High School, we students have lots of opportunities to discover, learn about, and pursue our passions. From accounting to welding, animal science to video production, these offerings are diverse and varied, just like Huntsville ISD students. In these programs, we students can earn industry-based certifications. These IBCs help us build our resume and experience, further our education, and help us shine in the job market. We want to make sure we include all of the programs of study, and since we have over 20 from which students can choose from here in Huntsville, we realize that we may only be able to include just a word from our students. What word would it be?
Inventive.
Educar, educate. Cultivate.
Optimize.
Justice. Hospitality.
Visualize.
Care.
Entrepreneurship.
Precise.
Passion. Creative.
Construct.
Design.
Profitable.
Nurture.
Accurate.
Beautification.
Creative.
Adaptive.
Lucrative.
Regardless of your interest and course of study, there is something for every student in career and technical education. We almost forgot. There's one more word. Learn. Happy CTE Month from the Career and Technical Education classes of Huntsville High.